In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Stripe by walking you through the process of creating your account and beginning to accept payments. Whether you're new to online payments or simply looking to facilitate your transactions with ease, Stripe is an excellent platform due to its simplicity and efficient payment processing capabilities. First and foremost, let's tackle the initial step: signing up for a Stripe account. You'll want to navigate to Stripe's registration page, where you'll begin by entering your email address, your full name, and creating a secure password. It's important to note that Stripe is designed to be cost-effective for businesses. There are no setup or monthly fees. Stripe operates on a pay-per-transaction basis once you're in live mode. This means you're only charged when you actually make a transaction, allowing you to manage costs efficiently. Now that you've signed up, the next crucial phase is activating your account to go live with Stripe. This is where you'll begin the process of accepting real payments from your customers. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll need to input various business details, including the type of your business address, your company's legal name, and your tax ID number. Completing these fields accurately is vital for compliance and to ensure smooth transactions. In addition to your business details, Stripe requires you to provide some personal information for verification purposes. This includes your legal name, date of birth, and personal address. This verification helps Stripe maintain security and compliance standards across their platform and ensures that all accounts are operated by legitimate users. To finalize your account setup and start receiving payouts, you must link your bank account to your Stripe account. This link is essential for Stripe to send you the payouts from your customers' payments. It's a straightforward process. Just ensure that you have your bank account details handy. Once you have successfully added your banking details, Stripe reviews and approves your account. After receiving approval, your account will seamlessly transition from test mode to live mode. It's now fully operational, allowing you to process genuine transactions. Generally, you'll start receiving your payouts within 7 to 14 days following your first successful transaction. The timeline may vary slightly depending on your bank or region, but this is a good reference point for planning. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your Stripe account ready to accept payments in no time. Stripe's intuitive setup and pay-as-you-go model make it a fantastic option for any business looking to handle payments efficiently and securely. So, get started today and experience the convenience and reliability that Stripe has to offer.